Welcome to the demonstration movie from Aris 360 Technologies, specifically focused on our new product, Aris Blitz, for rapid diagramming. And this movie is going to be all about the animation tool, how to use it, and how easy it is. So I'm just going to start with a scene from our Street Genius. So I'm choosing that. I'm just going to change the program window. So now we've got our Street Genius in place. This is this tool here that allows you to quickly make an intersection, change the configuration of the intersection. There's a lot of tools in here that are automatic that allow you to get this done really quite quickly. So we can click in a lane and then add another lane, left or right, of that intersection. You can add in lane markers, that sort of thing. So we're not going to spend a lot of time in the scene. We'll get right down to animation. So if we go to the symbols library, normally you're going to create your animation if it's a car accident using the vehicles that were actually involved. So we're going to go to our database of 25,000 vehicles here, choose the exact vehicle, and I'm just going to stick it anywhere on the scene here. So it can be in any position. And let's go get the other vehicle as well that was involved. So let's say the second one's a BMW 5 Series, and we'll put it here. So we've got to get these vehicles to hit each other, and we want it to be an accurate animation in terms of time and distance. So I'll show you how we can create the animation and make it accurate in terms of time and distance. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to add the animation path from the right click menu, and I'm going to move the vehicle up to the impact position and to the rest location. Now if we had total station points or other measurement points, that would make that much easier. So when we click on the final path segment, it shows both vehicles in position, and if I rotate the vehicle here, the tire marks change in the post-impact phase but not in the initial. So when I rotate the car back like this, the vehicle will make a sudden change. And now we're going to orient it, and the program shows you exactly where the tire marks are going to go. So if it rotates clockwise to that position and we got evidence on the roadway, we can match the tire marks. Right here we're going to set the speed. So if you've done a reconstruction that said that the car was doing 45, slowed down to 41.45 in impact, the post-impact speed was 34, 0 at rest, we now have that vehicle in motion at the right speeds. So I'm going to stop that, and I'm going to add another thing, which is a sync point right there. That's how we synchronize. Same as our HD product, synchronization works the same. Now I'm going to add another animation path so these vehicles collide right there, and we'll have this vehicle coming to rest right there. So super easy to do. Now when I click on the path here, I can rotate the path like that. Rotate the car to its position. Now we can see how they line up at impact, and if that's the way you want them positioned, or you can adjust it. And for this path here, we have to click back on it to set the speeds of this car, give it a sync number, give it a speed, zero at rest. We've now got a synchronized animation. All we have to do is hit play. Easy to do. Now, if we want the car to, one of these cars to strike another car, it's really straightforward. All we do here on this path, for instance, I'm going to right click and add a position. So now I've got another animation position, say it's over there. So we've got another position. And we can make adjustments. So if this vehicle got to here and then over there, it went to, its final position. We're going to have to reset the speeds so that it suddenly was accelerated up to 18, back to 0. Give it synchronization number 2. We're going to go get the third vehicle that was involved in the accident. Say it's a Chevrolet 2008, and we can use the avalanche. Click, click. Now we're going to right click, add the animation path, click, and click. For the avalanche, we have it going down to 21 miles an hour, 12 afterwards, 0. Sync number 2. And play. So we've got some minor adjustments to make so that these vehicles aren't kissing each other during the post-impact phase. But essentially, we've got our animation done. And it's all synchronized. When we're finished with it, we can hit the record button here and record the animation as an AVI movie. So animation, super easy to do in FARO Blitz, and it's a standard feature. Thanks for watching.